In this video, I'm diving deep into my personal experience with PropellerAds, a popular platform used by publishers looking to monetize their websites through various ad formats. Right from the start, the sign-up process was simple and quick. After registering and verifying my website, I was taken to a user-friendly dashboard that provides a clear overview of performance, traffic, and revenue. One standout feature is the variety of ad formats available: push notifications, interstitials, direct links, and more. While these options provide flexibility, not all formats perform equally across different types of traffic, especially if you're relying on organic traffic from SEO. The CPM rates can vary a lot depending on your niche and geographic traffic source. I found that Tier 1 traffic earns significantly more than lower-tier countries, which is expected but worth noting if your audience is global. One issue I encountered is that while the platform promises high fill rates, there were noticeable fluctuations, especially on weekends. PropellerAds does integrate with multiple demand partners, but sometimes the relevance of ads shown was questionable, which could affect bounce rates and overall user experience on your site. Earnings are updated frequently, and you get access to detailed reports that break down impressions, clicks, CPM, and revenue per ad format. Many useful links you can find in the description. Payment options are decent, including Payoneer, Skrill, and wire transfer. Payments are processed weekly or bi-weekly depending on your settings, and the threshold is fairly low, which is good for small publishers. In my case, payments were reliable and always arrived on time. One major downside is the limited support. While there is a knowledge base, getting real-time help or a dedicated account manager requires higher traffic volumes. For beginners or medium-level publishers, this might mean slow response times. Another issue I noticed is aggressive ad behavior in some formats like pop-unders, which can harm user experience if not used carefully. Thankfully, you can disable certain formats to maintain site integrity. Testing the Smart CPM feature, I noticed moderate optimization results. It attempts to adjust bids based on performance, but manual adjustments often delivered better results for me. It's a good starting point, but not perfect if you're after the best return. The referral program also offers a 5% commission, which could be a nice passive boost if you have an audience interested in monetization tools. Overall, PropellerAds is not a perfect solution, but it's a solid option for publishers who want an alternative to AdSense or want to diversify their revenue streams. It's easy to set up, offers regular payments, and works for many types of websites, especially those with international traffic. However, be cautious with certain ad formats, and don't expect premium support unless you're bringing in serious volume. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.